Alright you guys, I am super duper excited because y'all already know, like, I just love me a good wig review. So I'm just gonna jump straight into this wig review. I already know this hair collection is thebomb.com. If you have not tried any wig from the Outre Melted Hairline collection, I don't know what you're waiting for, because honey, when I tell you these wigs right here slay every time, these wigs right here slay every time, okay? So today we have the lovely Isabella. She is a bob haircut hairstyle. So y'all already know we about to just dive right in. We'll go ahead and unbox her. You guys, I've just been loving blonde for the spring season lately. So definitely, if you have not checked out my review on the Outre Ivana wig, definitely make sure you check her out. I am going to link her to this video as well. I've literally been waiting for Miss Isabella to come in stock. I've been eyeballing her for a minute now, so I'm super duper excited to actually get my hands on this unit. Here we have a close-up of the stock card, you guys. I'm just super duper ready to get this wig on my head. She also does come in a variety of other colors as well. What I did pick her up in is DRF Hazelnut. This color is super duper pretty, especially if you are thinking about trying out colors. You're a little bit skeptical. This color is definitely perfect. It just does some things for that melanin skin, honey, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and cut the stock card off and just pop her on real quick. Just looking at her, you guys, she is really full and she's flowy, like, yes. So let me go ahead and pop her on, and then we're gonna get into all the details about Miss Isabella. And you guys, I almost forgot to let you guys know about the construction. So we do have two combs right here at the top where the temples are at, and we also have a comb right here at the bottom in the nape section. This wig also comes with adjustable straps, and we got an elastic band. So that means you definitely can make this wig glueless. If you don't want to have any spray or anything like that, you definitely can just throw this bad boy on. And just stretching her, she is giving me a little bit of stretch, so she might be great for us lovely big headed friendly girls. So I'm just gonna go ahead and pop her on. And also I just wanted to show you guys the lace construction as well. So we do have lace from ear to ear, and then we have a lace part down the middle. And the lace is also pretty transparent against my skin as well. You guys already know I'm going to go in with my foundation to make it a little bit more blendable. And I'm probably am going to tweeze that part a little bit too. But yeah, let's get into Miss Isabella. Alright y'all, so here are the final results of Miss Isabella, and as y'all can see, I did a cute little half up half down hairstyle with her. If you all want to know how I achieved this look, definitely make sure that you drop me a comment down below so that way I can create another video for you guys showing you how to create this look. Now let's jump into the pros and cons of Miss Isabella. Number one pro is the fullness of this wig. Like, you guys, even though that she is a short synthetic straight bob. She is super duper full. She has lots of body yada yada. Like, you guys, I really love the body and the fullness of this wig. I also love the color. I mean, as y'all can tell, blonde is kind of my new thing right now for the summer. I really love this color, and I also like the lace. I did not have to do any plucking whatsoever with this lace. This is how the hairline came. All I did was add some Got2b freeze spray along the edges to secure her in place. I haven't really received any tangling, surprisingly. No tangling, no shedding. Your typical shedding when you brush the wig, but nothing like excessive that's like, you know, you kind of gotta worry about it. But I mean, I really have been loving this wig thus far. I have been wearing this wig on and off for about 2 weeks. As y'all can see, she is very versatile. She does come in one middle part. I did shift the wig, and I really would prefer just to wear this in the middle part that it comes in, or do a look like this, doing a half up, half down. But other than that, I really think that she was a very beginner-friendly wig. She was easy to apply. Make sure that you check out the Outre Melted Hairline Wig Isabella. I will leave links down below in the description box so that way you can get your hands on her. And as always, do not forget to give this video a thumbs up and share with your friends so that way we all can be fabulous together. And don't forget to subscribe so that way you're notified when I upload a new video. And most importantly, remember to stay beautiful, stay blessed, stay safe, and stay poppin'. And I will see y'all in the next video. Bye!